Open LTC joyful.
Hello and welcome everybody. Okay. All right. Hello and welcome everyone.
Good morning, Capi.
Good morning, Miss Dick.
Good morning, traders.
Okay. Good morning, traders. Hello and welcome. Let's have a magnificent Monday.
Let's do it.
Okay. So, are you all ready to rumble?
Yes, I am.
Well, you better be, because the market is out of balance. So the odds for the forecast diminish. All right, so let's go ahead and let's look for some important points of support, resistance. Let's see if there is a hidden trend somewhere, a phantom trend. Let's see. What I can tell you right now, that the future intention of the direction is slightly bullish. All right. So at least we have that little piece of, at least we have that little nugget of information. Remember the golden nuggets in back?
Yes.
Alrighty then. I'm gonna give each question um, its own classification. Question number one: is it gonna be a trending day today, or is it gonna be a chop day? Question number two: if it's gonna be a trending day, which way is that trend going to be? Is it gonna trend up? Is it gonna trend down? Right. And question number three: all right, it's gonna trend up. Well, what kind of trend? It's gonna trend down. What kind of trend is going to be? All right, those three questions. Okay. And 99.999% of fake gurus out there, they say that that's impossible to know because it's the future, right? And that's exactly what we do here every day. All right, so let's hang in there. And what's the obvious first resistance? Give me 1 second. Okay, so the first price right now, 33. Time, 9:09, right? Price right now is 33. And the first resistance is only 6 points above, 39. All right, so what does that mean? That means that the open is coming in 20 minutes, and we don't know yet if the open is gonna be a bullish open, a bearish open, or a snake open. We don't know that yet. On a day like today, when the market is out of balance, we have a condition that is out of balance, then it's very difficult to know that. We might have a couple of hints, but we don't know it yet. So it spikes up, and for some reason we go long, then we know that target is 39 because that's the first resistance, right? It's like mathematics. All right, so the first resistance, right? Minor resistance. There is minor, medium, and major. Learn all of this. Remember, you're here to learn price action. This is price action at its highest quality. All right, so minor, overall market direction sideways, meaning I'm not expecting a huge trend today. We all know that I can change my mind, and it's not me. We all know that the market can go from the from the condition that is right now to a totally different, right, Steve?
Correct.
We can have a totally different environment, right?
Right, absolutely.
All right, so Okay, so 39, right? All right, so what's the first support? Minor support. What is it? Okay, let's go ahead and find it. Okay, uh, other than the obvious 27 right there, well, it's 25. Okay, so, all right, good. So we have, all right, so let's go ahead and write that down. We have a 39 minor, minor resistance and 25, all right, minor support. 39 minus 25, 14 points. Okay, so we are in a 14-point channel. So we're gonna be trading this channel. Okay, is there a is there a is there a wave right now, short term, anywhere that we can take advantage of? Short term, where is the price going? Okay. Alrighty then. The high of this wave, ladies and gentlemen, it just so happens to be 39. And the low of this wave,
26.
it just happens to be, no, 26. But we're going to leave it at 25 because 26 and 25, they're so close together, right? The low of the wave and the low of the first minor channel that we're going to be trading. Are you kidding me? 25 and 26. So we're going to leave it at 25, right? Oh, okay, so now we have, now 25 is getting stronger and 39 is getting stronger, right? Okay, time right now, 9:13, and the price is still 33. Okay, 17 minutes to open. Let's see if we continue getting a little bit more information from this smart money. You know that they leave footprints. And our job is to decipher what it is they're after. I think that today market is so all over the place that they themselves haven't made a decision yet what they want to do. So we're gonna take it easy with the position size, just just like we always do, right? When we have this type of market condition. You all know that this is Holy Week. Friday is ¿cómo se dice? Good Friday, right?
Friday.
Friday is Good Friday. Uh, I think
It's a trading holiday.
yeah, it's
The
a
market
trading
is closed.
it's a trading holiday. It's still the employment situation be released, but it's a trading holiday, right? So we all know that. And so this week, this entire week is gonna be funky, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, countdown to the market open, 7 minutes, 22 seconds. And all we have is minor support, minor resistance. We have no idea which way the first impulse of the open is going to be, which we do many, many times. So I'm expecting chop, and we all know that we are in a 14-point channel snake wave, 39.14. All right. Okay. So is there a little support somewhere, between 25, between here and 20 and 25? Yes, there is. 31. Let's just watch it. Let's just watch the price at 31, see how it behaves there. Is there any little resistance between here and 39? None. Oh my God, Capi, that's a little bit more information now. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and remember, slightly bullish, bullishy, future. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So time right now 9:25. Right.
Right?
Price still 33. Small small odds that the open is gonna, this little drop right here from 35 to 33 is gonna continue to 31. All right, so at least, oh my God, what do you mean? So should we go short right here, right now, 33? Well, that's as aggressive as it gets, right? But listen, what you have to think is this: we believe that there is a minuscule odd probability that the price at the open is going to 31. Well, okay, so let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and start watching the price going.
Add the bearish vaccine booster. Dame bully one.
Okay, you know. Okay, is that a tactical trio? So in other words, my friends, what the hell is this?
Dame bully one.
All right, okay, all right. But the overall action is that I see at at the open is choppy. All right, so 35, 30, right? 35, 30, 31, right there. 35, 30 is the micro channel, and the longer term is a little bit bullish. The shorter term is a little bit bearish. Okay, so in 3 minutes, when the cavalry shows up, then 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 it looks like it's wanting to continue going down. We have to wait until the open. We know that we have a micro channel. Okay, we have a radical boy set up. 35 right here. 32. Okay, so what everybody wants to know right now is this 32, 35, right? That's 3 points. Is this accumulation or distribution? So far, we believe is a distribution, meaning the open is going to be to the downside, and a clean break of this low right here, 32. Then what is the low? 25, right? 25. By way of what? Of 31. It's right there. All right. So that's what we have right now. The open comes and we can change hats in a drop of a hat, right, Mistake?
Yes, we can.
Can we change hats in a drop of a hat?
We can change hats in a millisecond.
But at least this is what we think is going to happen, and we already have all the points of support, resistance, all that jazz. Boom, right? Testing 32. Okay, 25 seconds to open. Right. A peculiar week. Right. At 35, my friend, is stronger than the 32. That's why I just told you. This thing is
31 hit.
yeah. Okay. All right. So we know 31 is a little bit of support, and but price is gonna break it, right? Well, yeah, it's gonna break one of the two, 5 or the other one. Let's see which one it's gonna be, right? 31. We knew 31. How long ago did we know 31?
A while.
That's right. Okay. Look. Is that 31 to the tick?
To the tick.
I believe it is.
It is.
All right, 31. All right, so price took 32, and we knew that 31 was the first support. And we believe that this is going to be a choppy open, but we favor a little bit more the short side. All right? Oh my God, Capi, shorts, 32, it only went 1 point. We knew that 31 was support, right? Remember? Is there any support between, remember, 33 and 25? Yes, a little one, 31. We knew that. All right. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Back to 35.
All right, 35 to the tick.
Uh-huh.
Oh my
Keep going.
God, look at that. Oh, 35, right? A clean break of 35. Where is the price going? 39. We all know that a clean break of 35, big price is going to 39. Clean break, right? Of 35. Was that a clean break? It's getting to be a clean break. Isn't that getting to be a clean break?
It is.
That's right. Okay. Oh my God. So, are we changing hats? We don't have a hat at all whatsoever. Right?
I have
Okay. So, all right. So,
I have an uppercut robot.
all right. So, oh, okay. So, oh my God. Yeah. What's the most important thing here? Choppy open. That's it. That's the most important. Direction. Choppy open. All right. Okay. So price goes to 31, which is the first little resistance. It bounces. It's looking to clean break the high, but it's so choppy that it's not gonna let it go to 39. However, the hat now is bullish. Price took 35, it went all the way to 36. We're not comfortable now. We believe now that the main position should be long to 39. Oh my God, Capi, so should we go long right here at 35? Well, hold on a second. We're gonna have a choppy open. This is the worst. All right. What's the low? 31. What's the high? Now, well, it's 36. Oh my God, 4 points. Well, I think it's gonna continue going to 39. So yes, long 34, 35, right? When I told you price, look at the bound. It's clean breaking up, and this is what about a minute and a half ago.
Yes.
It's going to 39. We all know that we can change hat back to bear any second, but no, we just have we change hats if the market tell us. Until the market doesn't tell us, we have to go with the last call, which is clean break of this right here, 35. You know half an hour ago that it's gonna go to 39. We all know that. So you gotta go ahead and pull the trigger long, expecting the price to continue going to 39. Are you gonna buy a Lamborghini with going long 35 and the price is only going 4 points, mistake?
Probably not.
Probably not, right? But at least we have direction. Right?
Yep.
The open, we said, hey, this is going down. We know 31 is it's a little stone right there in the boot. Price goes to 31, bounces, and then bam, start cleaning, breaking at 34, 35. Okay, isn't that your cue to go long?
Yes.
You know that 31. We are expecting 31 to hold. Is that 39 to the tick, mistake?
To the tick.
All right, so clean break of 39. I tell everybody, change hats to bull. You already know that it's gonna continue to 39. So you do a little bit of math in your head and say, okay, I'm gonna take this shot 35. It's only going 4 points, but that's the immediate. That's the immediate impulse, because it's going to be a choppy type of open. Well, that choppy can easily change to parabolic. This thing can go 100 points right now. We are already long the breakout 34, 35. knowing that it was going to go to 39, we'll get some bonuses maybe. Let's continue watching. Let's continue watching the action to see what happens. All right. So everybody, right? So this is you gotta be fast. That's why I give you all the levels half an hour before, right? All right then. Okay, so yeah, that's right. So 39 is not a target, you know. 39 is not a target at all whatsoever. 39 is a destination.
Here we go.
Right?
Yes.
All righty then. Okay, so in other words, you have to be a little bit of a trader, pretty much. Hey, Capi, what the hell does that mean? You have to be a little bit of a trader. Well, I'm trying. I try to make it as what you might call it, as what you might call it. Try to make it as logical, common sense as possible. You know. All right. So when I say you have to be a trader, is well, you need to know support, resistance. You need to be willing to pull the trigger when I tell you, look at that, boom, it's looking to clean break the high. I don't have to tell you it's going to 39 because you already know because I told you 25 minutes ago. Didn't I? So you already know that. So this is fast. You have to be, fast. You have to be courageous. You have to have conviction. You came here to trade. Trade this baby. Look at that. It went parabolic. Right now, 42. I mean, it went parabolic. Really, not much. Big deal. 42 is nothing, right? Well, but at least it looks like we know what's going on, right? That's 42. Righty? Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so just hang in there with me, and I'm gonna, as a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, listen to this. I'm talking as if there is a what you might call it, like a new guy, somebody that's been trading for nothing. It started today. He just knows, support, resistance, or like that. All right. All right. So don't take it personal, of course. All right. It's just that when I ask somebody to explain something to me, I tell them, hey, listen, explain it as if you're talking to a 6-year-old kid. So and I know the importance of that. Okay. So I just want you to know that. Come on, baby. All right. Just want you to know that. Okay. All right. So right here, this 42, 43 is the logical, right? This is the conventional technical analysis first, resistance. All right. Okay. So the right here, 42. You can get out here, 42. Of course, depending on your position size. But yes, 42, I don't even want to call it a target because it's not a precise target. 42 right here, it's an easy double top. We all can see that, right? However, Precarico is long, is bullish, and is expecting the price to eventually break 42, right? It's not going to be easy because it's a conventional double top, and there is a lot of traders are getting out right here, 42, 43, right? Those of us who went break out long, 35, right? 35, 43, that's 7 points, right? You want to take 7 points in what I expect to be a choppy open. 7 points is pretty good on a day like today. Oh no, Capi, and I want to buy a Lamborghini today. That's not the type of day that I see we're gonna be happening. All right. So what's an okay strategy if you are all in all out? Get the hell all out and just let's see. You have no choice but to let's see if the price pull back and then we're gonna find us some nice build back better point of support, and then get back in. Your risk, if you got all out 42, 43, is that this thing doesn't pull back at all and you don't have a chance to get back in long, and then you're gonna have to buy another breakout 43, 42. Oh my God, that's tough to do, because you are already long the first breakout 35, so you're comfortable right now. See what I mean? So that's the way the cookie crumbles. All right, so let's see, let's see what's going to happen now. All right, 39, remember 39? 39 was minor support of the channel that we were visualizing. We were visualizing a 14-point channel, 39.25, right? I can tell you right now that 30, this 43, it's a 4-point squeeze of that 39. Because listen to me, even though it's a minor resistance, that 39 is still there. Just want you to know, 39 is still there. The gunpowder of the open takes it, but look, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It took like 10 minutes for the price to finally break 39. Look at it. Look at the chart, right? So that tells you, that 39 was, was really something, right? Wasn't it? All righty then. Okay. So the bears that went short 39, they are convinced that this thing is going to go down. They added, right? Not to a loser. You add to a loser if you don't have any indication that the price is going to recoil. You just, add to the terminology add to a loser is, okay, I'm sure this thing is going against me. Oh my God, my gut feeling. Oh my God, I can't go higher anymore. All right, I'm gonna short here 42, and then sometimes you get lucky, and when you don't get lucky, you deplete your account. We all know that. Adding to a loser is the worst thing in the world. But if you have, your system is telling you, no, hold on a second. This move from 39 to 43 is a squeeze. Smart money is squeezing the 39ers. So where is your next resistance? 42, a conventional technical analysis. Oh, okay, I'm gonna hit the 42 short, 42 half, and 39, right? Remember 39? Then I'm gonna be average short between 39 and 42. That's 41, right? Right here, right now. They're making a decision right now. Oh my God. Right? They already went short 42. Price went right back to 39 and a half. They were up 2 points. Price goes to 41. Get the hell out. You know what I mean? So it's not a loser. It's a scratch. That's a strategy. All right? Okay. Just, because remember, the easiest thing to do is to get in. What's difficult is getting out profitably. That's what consistently profitable trading is. Right?
That's right. That is correct.
All right. So remember, I'm gonna give you, as much. You're gonna learn so much price action here. Like, I don't have to tell you all of this, right? I mean, what difference all of this makes? But if you know all of this, then you're gonna be more courageous, and you're gonna be more centered and decisive.
Yeah.
As to what is the direction that we should be following. And the direction that we should be following right now is still bullish, because I haven't changed hands. I haven't told you to go short, not even a counter trend, right? Right? That 42 is not a Prisatico resistance. That's just a double top. Big deal. To me, that means a little something, and no big deal to me. All right. So So we're oh okay. So all right. So where are we at? Well, we are long breakout. The type of break, the type of trade that is in that is that is in command right now was a breakout 35. Right. So we're clear on that one. Okay. So that's what's in command. Okay. Price went parabolic. I know nothing. Only to 43, big deal, right? It is a big deal if you're trading 20, 30, 40 contracts, right? It is a big deal. All right. But so so what do we need to know right now? Okay. Price broke 39, went all the way to 43, 4 points. It just could not continue going up. It had to go back to 39 and a half. And direction is up until I tell you otherwise. Remember, let's see if you all remember. We were expecting a short at the open, short term, but remember I told you the swing play, the future intention of the direction is slightly bullish. So you all knew that. So there are two reasons for you to be long 35. Reason number one, you saw the clean break. Reason number two, half an hour before you saw it, you knew that the swing play was bullish. That's it. All right. Okay. Now we're going to a prismatic ghost level. Okay. All right. So let's see what the first target is. All right. Okie dokie. Let's see what the target is. All righty. Oh, please come on. Oh, really? Gotta be kidding me. All right. No kidding here. All righty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, all right. So the first we are reaching target one. Okay, 49.51. Okay, this right here, you know, is a target. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. 49.51. It's a presatical target one. Oh my God, Capi. So that means those of us who are long 35, we have big coconuts. We took it. We didn't get out 39. We knew 39 was resistance. We knew it. You told us, I don't know. You told us like 10 times. But you said that it's not a target. It's not a presatical target. So expect a little pullback. The direction is still up, and now we have a target 49.51. All right, copy. I'm letting it ride to 49.51. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Cappy, I want to get out here 48, man. Look at that. 2 ticks to 49. Well, it's okay. One of our tactics in here in this room in Capital Trade Center is that it's okay, to get out, around our targets, target one, target two, target three, a point above, a point below, right there, pulls it out, right? Price goes all the way to 48 half, it comes back all the way to 47. This is normal. Okay, we believe that we are on the right side of the angel and that this thing is going to go to 49. Bang! 49 to the tick. Isn't that 49 to the tick, right? I believe that's 49 to the tick. Okay, 1 second right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So, in other words, the astute trader is aware of how the price is going to behave at certain levels, right? So we have a target 49.51. It's a 2 point range. It's okay to get out right there 49. Try to get out 49. And oh my God, Capi, look, this thing is down 3 points, man. I couldn't because I wanted to get out in the mid range 50, right? 49, 51 is a 2 point range that I'm expecting still the price to continue going. But we all know that many times the price doesn't go anywhere in a straight line. We all know that. So we have a 2 points of resistance, 49, 51. The reason it's a target is because it's resistant. So many times we get out in the middle of that 2 point resistance. 49.51 is resistant. That's why it's target one. Mid range is what? Between 49 and 51. What's the level mid range? We all know it's 50, right? So you right now, you're hanging right there, 49. Price goes to 46. Find support, right? These are bulls that are highly convinced that this thing is going to go to the moon. They didn't care. They took advantage of the 3 point pullback from 49 to 46 to add to a winner to establish a new position low because the scalpers, they got in, they got all out. Boom. Hey, my God. Oh, my God. This thing just went out to 46, 3 points. We are in a parabolic trend. I'm going to take a shot right here when they saw the bounce of 46. And they have a stop right there at 45. Hey, listen, I'm going for it. Number one, direction. I believe it's going to continue going down. I just saw there is a pullback and I just saw the bounce. I'm going to pull the trigger 46 half, 46, 75, 47, expecting the price to go back to 49, break it and continue going on. We, prosaical traders, we're expecting 51. Remember, 49.51? That's our target one. All right? So let's see. I believe this is 50 right here. This is the mid-range. So what do we do now? Well, I'm going to tell you what we do now. Do you see any reason to get all out? Do you see any? Is the price going up? Not looking back. Let's ride it all the way to 54. Okay, so I am going to bring the target one. I'm gonna move it up all the way to 54. Oh my God, that's too much. Well, okay, get the hell out right here, 50, 50, 75. But I just want you to know that the market is dynamic. It's changing. Everything is changing all the time, just like the open. Remember, at the open, the price dropped. We were bearish. We knew 31 was the first support. Price goes to 31 to the tick, bounces. It goes back up. It gives us a clean break of the high. We change hats. Bang! We go long because we know two things. Clean break of 35. It'll continue going to 39. Clean break. We have to change hats to bull. And number two, we know it's going to 39. So we're going to manage it. And let's find us a prosaical target, which we just did right there, 50. And then you just made 15 points from 35 to 50. Target one. Did you not? That's it. That's Capital Trade Center traders. That's what we do here. We know everything in advance. Well, I hate to say everything, but pretty much. I'm going to continue being as specific as possible, so that we all have the same mentality. Listen, the entry is extremely important. We all know that. But the most important thing is direction is king. You've heard me say that how many times? Direction is king. All right? Entry is, of course, the entry, the better the entry, of course, the more relaxed that you're gonna be, because you have a razor sharp entry. That's terrific. Who doesn't want to have a razor sharp entry? Boom, I get in, no hit, like we just did. But we need to know also what kind of entry is that. Is that a breakout? Is it a retracement? Is it a predetermined pivot? Is this a KGB? What kind of trade is the one that I'm taking if I go long right here, 35? You need to know that, because you need to know your risk at all times. You knew that we were in a channel, 31, 35. You knew that going long 35, you're going long the top of the channel, but you also knew the what needed to happen for you to change hats back to bull, and we all saw it together. Bam! You're going long 35. You know that you're taking a breakout type of trade. You know that 31 is our risk. It goes right back down to 31 and it destroys 31. We know it's going to go to 25, because I already told you half an hour before, right? So we have no choice, but we just had to change hat, right? Back to bear, wait for resistance, and then we have to make a decision. 31, is 31 going to be a clean break? If it's a clean break, we know that it's going to 25, right? So we have to wait for it, and then clean break, just go short. Let's go for those 6 points. 31, 25, right? Right? Okay, so making sense. Hanging here. You have to develop a trader, a CTC trader mentality. Hang around, have confidence. I know that you all know that there is no system in the planet like here, but still, right? Still a newer trader. It's not easy for them. Okay, so I'm gonna make it as crystal clear as possible. So look at that, 50.75, right? 50.75. That's one tick to the high of the 2 point range resistance that I gave you, target one. What do we do at target one? We counter trend short in this case. So those of you who are still long the main play, breakout 35, target one accomplished, and you are still holding some ammunition for your target two and for your target three and for the last target. Period. That's the market. All right? The market does one thing, and we traders, we manage our position in alignment with what we think the market is going to do, right? So main play still long. We only got out once. We know that we want to remain bullish and expect the price to continue going up, test the high 51, break it, and continue to target two, which I don't have yet, but I'm looking for it. In the meantime, in this room, all of you know that it's okay to short target one, target two, target three. You all know that. I don't have to tell you that you could have easily short 50. Counter trend, by definition, a move against Trisatico's main force, which is bullish. That's why we have our main bulk of our size bullish. However, we know that when the price goes to target one, it's not gonna go to target two in a straight line, is it? We all know that that's not the way the market moves, right? All right. So why not take advantage of the Presatico's call that says short it, short target 150. You shorted 50, you just made 7 points. No, Capi, I don't counter trend, then don't counter trend. I'm just telling you, all right? You come here and I'm going to make you a superior, ultra, the best of the cream of the top of the cream of a trader in the world. Because only a super trader do what we do here. We're long main play. In the meantime, we're going to make 7 points on a counter trend as long as it's Presatico's level. And then, with a micro, with a small position. So we're going to milk every single move the market does. Tell me, who the hell trades like that? We are the only ones in the world. If you find somebody else that does this, let me know. I'll pay for the that's 51, right? Okay, that's all there is to it. Okay, all right, Capi, I understand, man. Shut the hell up and give me target 2. Oh, okay. All right, man. Hold on. I'm fine. I'm looking for it. You know why? I am serious. Grow some coconuts. Stay strong. Are we gonna make Capi? We just made 17 points, man. Are you telling us to stay long because we're gonna make 14 more? That's exactly what I'm telling you. How can you be so comfortable, so sure, so confident, man? I'm gonna tell you why. Because if number one, we are counter trend short 51 right now. So our main play is long to target 266. We already achieved target 1, right? 51. Target 2 is 66. We all know that it's going to take longer. And you all know that the reason 51 is target 1 is because it's resistance. If it is resistance, why not short it? No, because we would be going against the trend. Count short it with the micros. No, Capi, I only trade the ES, man. No, Capi, I only trade the micros, man. I'm not ready to even trade the ES yet. My account is not big enough, and my balls are not big enough either. So I only trade the micros. Well, if you only trade the micros, you should be long, what, 15 micros? Which is a point and is 1 ES and a half. Let's say that you're short 20 micros. You're long 20 micros, right? 20. Long, main play. Can you short 5 micros? Can you? 5 micros is half of an ES. You can do that. No, Capi, I'm not ready yet. I'm not comfortable. I know, man, I've been with you forever, and this is like witchcraft because it's unbelievable how 90% of the time the market does exactly what you say it's gonna do. For some reason, I'm getting there, man. Alrighty. That's the way to do it. Relax, confidence, no scare money. We all know scare money, dumb money, idiot money, lack of money, right? Greedy money, all that money. It's not gonna make it. It's gonna mess with your psychology. So, so do it slowly. Do it slowly. All right. My point is, you have no excuse not to counter trend because if you only trade in micros, you are long 20 micros, right? 30 micros, that's 3 ES only. So target 1, you just got out 10 micros. You have 20 left, 10 for target 2 and 10 for target 3. In the meantime, if your account cannot handle 5 micros counter trend short right here, 51, well, what kind of account do you have? You know what I mean? Well, it's too much. I can't handle so much information, Cap. All right, then don't counter trend. Don't worry about it. You will eventually. Concentrate on the main play and let's ride this baby all the way to 66. Now, the answer to your question, how can you be so comfortable, man? Sometimes the pullbacks are so strong. I have to get out. Get out. Let the pullback take your trail. All right, but you know that if I don't tell you, we don't. Number one, the bullish setup has been invalidated. Number one, and number two, that's it. I have new information. The market. Listen to this and write it down. The market changed on a dime. Our job is to concentrate 100% so that we can see it. If we have a system that can tell, hey, listen, this is a change of trend. We have a system that tells us that, and we are focused, full focus. Then we're gonna be able to see it when it does. When it does, we get the hell out, and then we look at your P&L. We go to phase 7, and the idea is to be green every single day. Period. Sometimes we're gonna buy a Lamborghini, sometimes we're gonna buy a Rolls, and sometimes we're gonna buy a Prius, whatever. All right, all right, all righty then. Okay, 54, right? I mean, how many times has the price recoil off of? Right, the 51 was the first time, right? 51 was the first. Price goes all the way to 46, right? That's not 5 points pullback. That's a healthy pullback in a tight tube uptrend. Remember, I told you, not all uptrends are created equal. Some are stronger than others. Right now we are in a tight tube uptrend. 5 point pullback is perfectly. It's a healthy pullback. All right, there's no reason to not believe that it's gonna take a little longer, but that the price is gonna continue going up. And I want you to know that I'm expecting 66 by way of 57. You all know what by way of means. All right, so write it down. So 66 by way of 57. Okay, price just went to 54. Okay, so we want 4 more points. Now, right? So 57 is 57 a target? No, it's not until I tell you. I could easily change target to 66. I can easily change it down to 57. You just wait there for me to tell you. If I don't change it, it's not changed. So what is 57? Well, 57 is a level that is going to try to stop the price from going to target 266. 57. So, depending on your position size, we're going to see the price pulling back, how strong it bounces, how strongly it breaks the next high, which is 54. And we're going to see all of that, right? So as we're watching it, then we are much better prepared because we already know 57 is going to try to stop it. All right, so we have to make a decision. Should we get out 57? Well, no, it's a destination, it's not a target. So, two things. Number one, yes, you can get out 57 because we know that there's going to be a recoil there, number one. And number two, no, it's not strong enough to counter trend it. Sure, it's not. Does it work sometimes? You bet it does. Sometimes the by way of are stronger than I think, and they're totally beautiful 5, 6, 10 point pullback that had we counter traded, we would have just felt like we are heroes, right? All right. So practice it. Watch it with me. The price do exactly what it's doing right now. It went all the way to 54. It pulled back all the way to 54 points. Healthy pullback. It looks like we are still on a tight tube uptrend. Healthy, nice, beautiful. Tight tube uptrend. It's okay to continue buying breakouts. 51 was a breakout. It's okay to buy it, right? 54 right here is a breakout. It's okay to buy it. Oh my God, but Capi, we are already long 35, man. That's not, this is going long right here. 54 is going long 19 points above where we already went long, man. That's why we have to have balls. Because remember, Prisatico is all about getting in at the beginning of the move. You're getting at the beginning of the move, and are you kidding? You know, look how comfortable we all are riding this baby. Look at it, right? It's not the same if you're flat and then you hesitated. No, I didn't go low 35. No, I didn't go low 41. Oh my God, Cappy, this thing, target two. Target two, it's 66. Well, I'm going to go low right here, 54. I mean, that's 12 points. Yes, it is 12 points. But you have to understand that the train already started 19 points ago, right? All righty then. So the higher, just because Presatico says that the price is going to go to 66, right? That doesn't mean it's not guaranteed. And number two, we all know that this thing can recoil off of 56, have a little stronger pullback to 52, 51. Smart money knows that everybody, all the kids, all the teenagers on YouTube in their demo account, they have the stop right there at 50. So the smart money is gonna have to bring it down, take the stops of all the teenagers on YouTube, all those teenagers that claim that they're big shot traders, right? So that they can take their stops in their demo account. Hey, Capi, what the hell are you talking about demo account? They cannot take it. Well, they are bullshitting a whole bunch of innocent, beautiful, nice, real amateur traders into believing their bullshit, right? So these people are really trading what these fake little gurus are telling them. So that's the ones that I'm talking about. All right. So let's go ahead and take them all out of business. 57, right? Destination right here, 57. Let's watch it together, right? It's a destination. It's not a target. Look, 57 quarter. It couldn't take it straight through. Pull back to 56 and look at it, right? All righty then. All righty then. Okay. What else? All right. So remember, I'm gonna say this again because I don't know if this comment that I made was that minute that things got screwed up. I when I ask somebody to explain something to me, I tell them, "Hey, listen, just talk to me as if I was a 6-year-old kid. Don't worry about it. Don't just tell me as if I had a very young, naive. Just be as detailed as possible. Don't worry about it. You're not gonna insult me. I'm not gonna get offended. None of that bullshit. It doesn't go with me. So I'm gonna make believe, even though we are all sub-professional traders here. I'm going to when I'm reading the market for all of you, I'm gonna make believe that you are all 6 years, to just started trading. Like today, you started trading today. All right. Okay. So don't feel like, come on, Capi, don't patronize me, man. I know what support, resistance, uptrend, Trump, this, that, together. I know all that stuff, man. You don't have to say all of that. Just humor me, all right? Because the idea is that we are all in the same page and that my reading is crystal clear. For my reading to be crystal clear, you need to know where I'm coming from, right? You know where I'm coming from because I've been telling you since I opened the mic at 9. Hey, listen, the system that we trade here, it has 3 moves: short, medium, high, durable, swing and durable, right? Okay. The first one, the open was short, but the swing play is slightly bullish. It's recorded. I have it right here. All right. I told you that. So you begin to think, okay, I'm gonna go short. This thing can, we know 31. I'm gonna stop it a little bit, but the momentum probably is gonna take 31. I'm gonna take the price all the way to 25. So I'm short, and I'm gonna be ready to take it, right? In case that it breaks 31. It doesn't break 31. It bounces, and then it start clean breaking 34, 35. And I tell you, hey, listen, this thing is breaking, our high of the channel. It's going to 39. Oh, okay. I have to get the hell out of that short that I was expecting the price to continue to 26. It didn't. However, Capi did say 31 is the first support. So is that 31? Yes. I don't have to tell you because I already told you. You see it happening. Price breaks up. Pull the trigger loan. You know that if the price pulls back to 31 and break it, that's it. I mean, we didn't get it right. Or we just have to change hats as many times need be. Clean break, 39. Beautiful. We're all long 35. We have target 1, we have target 2, target 3, until I tell you, get out. That's all there is to it. Alrighty? Okay. Alright, so let's see. So 57. Let's go ahead and talk about the current price action. I told you, target 266 by way of what? 57. Price goes to 57 quarter, and he cannot take it. And he has to pull back all the way to 54, 54, 55, 56, 57, 3 points. No big deal, right? And remember what I told you, 57 is a destination. It's not strong enough to counter trend. It's not as strong as a target. However, many times, the by way of, it's amazing. Look at it. Price goes to 57, pulling back. It goes a little bit back, tests 57 again, cannot take it, pulls back again. It's going down 54, 50. Look at it, right? Look at the by way of 57. Look how it's working. Okay. This is a healthy pullback. We are in a tight tube uptrend. We are expecting the price to take its time, bounce enough, and take 57 and continue to target 2. Is it guaranteed? No. And we know that beginning 57, we have to be on the lookout because 57 is a periodical resistance. Is it not? I told you that 20 minutes ago. All right. So what do we do then? Well, we know what the main play is. We know what the counter is. We know what to expect, right? We know that smart money is going to take the stops of the teenagers on YouTube. We know all of that stuff, right? We know that you are trailing. Okay. Oh my God. Look at your P&L, right? Are you happy with your P&L? Are you peeling out your micros or whatever it is you're trading? Are you peeling them out? Are you whatever you're doing, you have to do it based on of my reading. That's it. Put a blinders, right, and just go with me. You'll be much better if you go with me. Direction. You have your own entries, you have your own support, resistance. That's terrific. All right? Because then you feel more comfortable. Prisatico and your system are in harmony, and You have direction, which is the most important thing that I'm giving you. And then you should only be looking, if you want to be with with the strongest force, you should only be looking to go long. Your entries, I'll give you direction and I'll give you target. All right. Okay. We are all in this together. All right. Okay. We are all in this together. This is the toughest job in the world. It's nothing more difficult than be a consistently profitable day trader. Nothing. Not physically, intellectually. There is nothing more difficult than this. And I do have almost 40 years trading exclusively the S&P 500, and I'd love to share it with all of you. All right, so hang in there with me, listen to every word I say, 100% focus and concentration. We are all in this together, and I'll be as crystal clear as it possibly get. Right, so I'm gonna make believe that every day there is a new trader here that he doesn't know what um, price action is. All right, I guess I mean, what else can I do? All right, so I'm gonna read the market and I'm gonna tell you exactly where to get in, where to get out, when to ride, where's the price going, how the hell it's gonna get there. I'm gonna tell you everything. The only thing that I'm not gonna do is pull the trigger for you. It's the only thing that I cannot do. All right, I don't pull the trigger for anybody. So that's not gonna happen. Uh, Actually, I do pull the trigger actually for I have pulled the trigger for other members, but that's just that member and I trading alone. Right? When I don't have a room and I'm trading with somebody else, then I pull the trigger for that someone else, right? Okay, but then I wouldn't have a room. If I have a room, I can. So do the best you can. A new rotation means, my friends, that there's gonna be a new reading. That new reading doesn't necessarily mean that we're gonna change hats. Not at all. Okay. However, there is a possibility that we might not be interested in being long anymore. So we have to take into consideration a couple of things. Number one, there is a new rotation. Rotation, the price, it's rotating. Okay, number one. And number two, price went to Prisatico's resistance 57 and it's dropped 11 points. Oh my God, something's going on, right? All right. Well, I think it's going to continue going all the way to 43. Price right now 46, right? 45, 46. It'll continue going to 42. 42. We're going to watch it. 42. All right. I know that the smart money is looking to take all these stops at 42. I know that. Okay. So that's why I'm expecting a continuation to 43, 42. All righty. Okay. Look at that. Look at the pullback right from the by way of. Right? Right. Okay. That's 40. That's 43 quarter. Right? 43 quarter. That's 42 half, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, Capi, I wanted to buy a Lamborghini. If the price continue going all the way to target 266, the odds that we're gonna get target one are pretty good. The odds that we're gonna get target two, that they're okay. The odds that we're gonna get target three, that's a challenge, right? So we all know that target one. That's why there is a lot of traders that trade all in, all out. Target one, boom, I'm out. I have a full on position. Not interested in being in a staying in a trade to target two, because that's why I. This is a trader talking. That's why I just go with the odds, the highest odds. I've been here long enough to know that target one, it's has an amazing odds. So I'm going full position, and I'm getting the hell out target one, and that's it. And I'm done for the day. Tomorrow's another day. All right. So the win loss rate for the trader that does that is pretty. It's just amazing, right? Okay. 40. Okay, I told you. I know that the smart money is gonna. All right, ladies and gentlemen. This right here, this 39, is gonna be an important key level, right? Look. Oh my God! Look at that drop all the way from 47. That's too much, man. All right. Okay, my friends. Let's see. Okay, we market is in a rotation. Okay, not that it means much to you because you don't know, the intricacies of Brusanico, right? You know what rotation means, but you do want to know that that there is a change in the price action, right? Okay, so let's see how strong is this 39, right? 375. Okay. Okay. It's pretty strong. Okay. This pullback is pretty strong. All right. So 39 right here. It's it's um it's gonna it's what's the fucking word I'm looking for? It's weak, right? Because this is too strong. Okay, 39. Okay, this pullback is a little stronger, right? 37. Okay, so let me go ahead and take it back. Let me say this. All right, sometimes, actually many times, when there is a lot of volatility and the smart money wants to totally destroy the on focus. All right, look at the pullback. You know, right? They they're going to, you know, it's called volatility. They're gonna take it. You know, they're gonna take it. Sometimes all the way to the beginning. All right, it's called volatility. All righty. All right. And this is the reason that we're always interested in counter trending. Look at this counter trend from right from 57 to 36. That's 21 points of a counter move. All right. Okay. It needs to take the low 31. Remember 31? It needs to take the low 31 for this pullback to be a complete reversal. It's not a reversal yet it needs to take the low. So it is a strong retracement. Okay. All right. Now, okay, there's two. Okay. 75. Okay. At 9 a.m., I told you, hey, listen, the overall market direction is sideways. I'm not expecting a, a humongous, a durable play would have been target three. I'm not expecting that. So going to target two and target three were a challenge because the overall market direction that I gave you in the today, this morning at 9 a.m., 2 hours ago was sideways. And my comment was I am not expecting a trend today. No, but it went up 23 points. 23 points is nothing. Okay? A trend day is a day in which the market goes to my target one, two, and three, and it closes there. Or, with the healthy pullback, support, keep on going to target one, target two, target three, like we've seen it a million times. Okay? All right. That's a trending day. Today is not a trending day. Just because the market went up 23 points, big deal. It only went to target one, and look at what happened. So if we know at 9 a.m. this morning that the overall market direction is sideways, you know that it's okay to counter trend because we're not expecting a continuous. So why did you give us target two and target three? In case that it continue going, that's where it's gonna go. That's all there is to it. And that's why we trail. Price recoils, comes right back down, takes our trail. No Lamborghini today on this trade. It only went to target one. Price comes down all the way to 36. And I just told you, it'll continue going down. It's going to break 36 and it'll continue going down because that's what the math is telling me. So not only we change hats to bear, right? Because mathematically, I just told you, okay, let's see how strong is this 36. No, not enough. Price will continue going down. There's a whole bunch of little supports right there, but we have to deal with it. But the move down is not a squeeze. It's not a crash for the bulls. It's a real move down. Okay. All right. Okay. Those of you understanding that, good enough, good, perfect. Those of you understanding that's terrific. Okay. Because this is price action at its best. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, give me 1 second right here. Okay. All right. So at 36, I told you, real So this is what we always want to know. Hey, is this move real? What does that mean? Real. Is it gonna continue going? And if it is, where the hell is it going? Right? That's what that means. Okay? Good. So when the price was 36, I told you, oops, all right, ladies and gentlemen, it's real. Oh, okay, so we know that continue continue holding long positions, nah, not good, right? Why? Because this drop, it's real, number one, and number two, it's gonna be looking to continue going down. And number three, okay, Capi, don't repeat that, man. I know. Just tell me where the hell it's going. I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna go to 30 and it's gonna go to 24. If you're gonna push me to tell you 30 and 24, that's where it's going. Really? Yeah, that's right. Straight line? I don't think so. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Okay. Oh, 24, right? I said 24. 24 by way of 26. Big deal. 2 point different, right? All right. So we're gonna make it a range. All right. So listen. The price is going to here 30, just like I told you 45 seconds ago, and just like I told you when the price was at 36, it'll continue going down. So when I tell you, listen to this. Hey, listen, this drop is real. Price right now 36, and it will continue going down. There's a whole bunch of little supports, meaning, it's not, it's not gonna crash, but it will continue going down because there's a whole bunch of little supports that will be taken because this drop is real. And now I told you it's gonna go to 30 and 24, and then all of a sudden Goldman Sachs called me and said, hey, listen, it's not 24, Cap, it's 26. Then I'll tell you, well, all right, so let's do the following. We're going to have a 2 point support, 24, 26, mid-range, 25. So our job is to be sure now, expecting the price to continue going down, bounce here, 30, 30, 38, 38, 30, 38, 30, and eventually take this low right here and go to our next support, which is 24, 25 mid-range, 24, 26 mid-range, 25. My God, Capi, so sure then? Well, when the price was at 36 and I told you, hey, listen, I know the price has gone down already 22 points. Going short here is as aggressive as it gets. But the price is going to break 36. And it's going to continue going down. Let me see where it's going. And I found out that it's going to go to 30. It did. And look how the price is stopped by 30. Right? So what's direction? Down. Entry. 36 aggressive. Right? Stop right there, 38 quarter, right? So we have direction down. I told you many times, change hat. Forget about the loan. Oh my God, but Capi, it took 22 points for you to call it. That's why we counter trend. Bam! 28. All right, so we have direction. Confirm mathematically. Hey, you know what? I think it's going to continue going down. No. I have a number that I put together in an equation and it tells me, hey, listen, this is going to continue going down. That's why I assertively told you 36 will be broken and it's going to continue going down. And then I have to go look where it's going. And I just told you it's going to 30 and it's going to 20, 24, 26, 25 mid-range. So we have direction down. Entry 36. Not only we have entry, we also have what type of trade is 36 short. It's a breakout. We know that the price has gone down 22 points, stopped right there at 36. We know we are in a new rotation. There's going to be a new reading because I've been telling you 5 minutes before the price went to 36. I just had to wait until the move was completed. It goes to 36. And so we have direction down. Why? Because I told you it's gonna break 36 and continue going down. Entry, well, right there, 36. What type of trade is that? It's a breakdown. It's a breakout to the downside. It's a breakdown. Oh my God. So you know it's aggressive, right? Price has already gone down 32 points and we're going to short 36. Are you kidding me? So at least you know that break of 36, you're not going to carry any more long positions. That right? That's just common sense logical, right? If I tell you price is going to break 36 and it's going to continue going down, and you have a couple of bullets long, get the hell out of it. That's all there is to it. Oh my God, yeah, 22 points. That's why we trail. You probably were out already on the first step breakdown when it went all the way to 20, to 54, right? Trail, you know, your trail, easy, right? So we have direction down. Entry, not only we have the entry, but we also have the type of entry, which is extremely important because you need to know if you're taking an aggressive play or are you taking a pullback in a solid uptrend, and this pullback is going to give you a terrific risk reward ratio, right? You need to know what type of trade you're taking, right? So we have direction, entry, type of entry. You know that clean of clean break 36, it goes, it's going to go to 33, right? It doesn't matter. It finds support and then start dancing with 36. Get the hell out. Go to lunch. Go to bed. Go to play golf. We're done because we're not going to put up with the chop. But I told you it will continue going down. So you got to grow some coconut. Take a shot short, right? So we have direction. We have entry. We have stop. Dancing 36. Go back a couple of points, 38, right? 38, 38 quarter, a little bit, back dancing, the hell out of here. So we have a stop. And number 4, now we have a destination target, 30 and 24, mathematically. Mathematical equation telling us not only that, so now we have now 4 major elements of every single trade that we take. Direction, number 1. Entry, number 2. A stop, number 3. Target, number 4. And then, what comes after that? Position size. What time it is? 11:15. In 30 minutes, official chop begins. We already made 23 points on our way up. We're looking at our P&L. We're going short after a 22-point drop. Are you going short with the same position size that you went long at the open? Of course not. You've got to reduce your size, right? When we went long the open, we had a 4-point range, 31, 35. It was a breakout, and we knew this thing was going to go up, right? So you have a healthy position long on that breakout. On this one, we're going short after a 22-point drop. It's just that Presarico knows it's going to be broken. So you grow some coconuts, go short, and then we start managing of it. So you see the difference between the 2 trades. One, you have a full position, and the other one, you don't have such a big position. The short of 36. It's too risky, it's too aggressive. But you want to take advantage of the fact that your system, your mathematical system, is telling you, take a chance, man. It's going to be broken 36 and it's going to continue going down. Sure, do it, with a smaller position. I only trade micros, Capi. Well, do it with half the position that you would that is your normal full size, or maybe even less. Don't buy a Lamborghini on this short 36. Just trade it. You're a trader. You came here to trade. It's number five, position size. It's number six, trade management. Right now, we are in trade management. How do we do trade management? Well, we know that 36 was going to be broken, and we knew that it was going to go to 30. It just went to 27, right? So the market is doing exactly what Persatico said. Manage it. Trading 101, support becomes resistance becomes support. We know that break of 36, 36 was support, break of 36 makes it resistance. And now what are we doing right now? Well, look at the bounce. Okay. Chop in 10 minutes begins official chop. Look at the bounce, volatility, this and that. All right. So what do we want to do? We want to remain sure. What's the first resistance? 36, 38, 39 tops. Right? Okay. Tops 42. In case that this bounce is too strong to squeeze the weak pairs, until I tell you that this bounce is strong enough and we should change hats back to bull, you remain bearish. Okay. Oh my God, Capi, but look at the bounce, man. This thing is back to bull, man. Well, you wouldn't be paying me $750 to be here if you want to go with your direction, right? Exactly. So stay with mine. Period. Okay? Direction. You're a big shot and you want to, and you went long 27. Well, I'll take my hat off of you. Terrific. You just made 5 points, 7 points. That's pretty good. All right? That's your own thing. But stay with me here, okay? Because I told you that the price is going to go to two places, 30 and 24. So if you want to be in a play in which the odds are the highest in the future for the price to go there, then be short and stuff, okay? No cap. Look at this, man. Look at this 27 to 36, man. Look at this 10-point bounce, man. The market mood, MOOD, is now just, getting a little too crazy for me. I'm the hell out of here. I'm going to keep what I already made. I'm not going to trade anymore because this bounce is actually scaring me. Look at that. I was counting on the price to continue going to 24, like you said. But look, man, 27 stopped it, and look at that 7-point bounce, man. So you're not getting it that well, anymore. Well, it's called volatility. All right, let's see what else is gonna continue happening. All right, so we have, and what is that? What phase is that? Phase 7, account management. So we have phase 1, direction. Phase 2, entry location. 3, stop protection. 4, target destination. 5, position size. 6, trade management, which is exactly what we're doing right now because we know all the other 5 that come before this one. And 7, which has nothing to do with the market, it's account management. Look at your P&L, you're happy, this and that. You nail it in the open, you hesitated. Who the hell knows what you've done with all the information that I've given you, right? Remember, make believe that I'm talking to somebody that is first day of trading today, okay? So don't get offended, don't get none of that stuff. I'm not patronizing anybody. That's the way I like to be taught. Hey, listen, if you're gonna explain something to me, explain it to me as if I'm a 6-year-old. All right, be as clear as possible. Give me all the information that you have, and and then I either get it or I won't. All right, but I guarantee to you that I know that you have your best intentions in giving me this teaching. So go for it. All right, that's me. That's how I like to be taught. All right, no, 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 not woke idiocy bullshit with me. All right, I don't get offended. There's nothing offends me. All right, are you kidding? Anyway, so alrighty, okay, alrighty, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Time right now, 11:23. What's gonna happen in 7 minutes? Massive, official, job. However, we have we have a forecast, and now it's just a matter of, are you in phase six, trade management, or are you in phase seven, account management? Keep the green, because remember, our motto here is be profitable every single day. Some days we're gonna buy a Lamborghini, sometimes we're gonna buy a Prius, but we're gonna be green every single day. If you do exactly what I tell you to do, you will be green every single day. Period. Because the market always reveals itself. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So 11:24 step bounce. We all know 36 is the smart money looking to destroy, everybody from now on. Well, the bears. What is the smart money going to do if they want to destroy the bears? We are bears now. Well, it's going to go test 36. It's going to play around 36, 39, 39, 36, 39, but Presarico says that 43 cannot be taken. Price takes 43. Get the hell, go play golf. All right, 43 cannot be taken for us, not to want to be bearish anymore. If any of you is planning and continue trading and stuff, then down main play, don't let the price take 40, 40, 40, 43. The price taking 43 is a squeeze from 36, 38 to 43. That's a squeeze. And from 43 to 49, that's a crush. Sometimes the smart money, they are vicious. If they want to crush the bears, they're going to take it to 43 and to 50. I don't see that happening today. But if they do, and we don't have a new rotation, a new read, those two levels are resistance, 43 and 50. What's going to happen from now on? Are you kidding me? From now we're gonna be in a massive chop. Massive chop. Right now, I'm expecting chop 36, a little bit, a couple of points above, a couple of points below, a couple of points above, a couple of points below, and then this low right here, which is, by the way, a double bottom, right? This 28 right here. The reason there was a bounce is because it's a double bottom. It's a conventional technical analysis in strategy, right? Double bottom, right? It's not Prosatico. Prosatico says no. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm expecting to happen from now on? Nothing. Continuation of chop, right? So you know it all. You know what's going on. Hey, Capi, thanks, man, but I'm out of here. I'm gonna keep what I have. Tomorrow's another day. This is a This is a peculiar, week. Friday and all of that. Smart money itself it doesn't know, what to do and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna take advantage of the 23 points that we made at the open, and I'm gonna continue watching, but I'm done. That's a good idea too. Alrighty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Me, in the meantime, because I know that this thing's gonna start chopping the hell out of all of us, I'm gonna take a break.